So I'm about 15 minutes into the climb to Mueller Hut, and so far it's quite a beautiful view, but everyone warned me about how many steps there are and I'm starting to feel it already. So that's about 3 hours one way. It's a nice hot day. I don't know if that's good or bad. I've just changed into shorts because my legs were absolutely sweating in jogging bottoms. So it's quite a contrast to where I came from, how bright that is, to where I'm going to. Definitely some clouds rolling in, but hopefully we'll still get a good view. If not, always got tomorrow morning. There are loads of Kias here already, and you can hear them. You probably can't see them, but they're in the distance. Hopefully I'll be able to get some closer shots later. They do hang around the hut, so fingers crossed we'll see them. So now I can see the other side of the mountain. Not much to see at the moment, but I'm not sure how far away I am from the hut. Can't be too much further because I don't think I can go any higher. First glimpse of Mueller Hut. Amazing. Look at that perch there. How cool does that look? So it's going to be a hot day, but the descent should be nice and should get some amazing views. Yesterday was a little bit cloudy coming up, but today is going to be slightly different. All finished, made it to the bottom. That was a pretty amazing hike down, really hot. So lucky with the weather, beautiful clear skies. Only one way to finish off a hot hike, and that's to go for a swim in some glacier water.
Tell you something, it must have been something I forgot.